One sec. Rado! Right-hand man, what happened? What's going on?
Breach in Orion Lounge. Find him! We can't let him get away with this again, not twice!
Hey, Chief, we spotted him outside.
Get him! Stop him! Fire Supreme Dominance, now! Whoa. Okay. Charging up Supreme Dominance for you. Dominance, now! Whoa. Okay. Charging up Supreme Dominance for you. Dominance, now! Whoa. Okay. Charging up Supreme Dominance for you. Critical damage.
Well,
Critical
time to
damage.
go. Not you! Curse you!
Breaking news. The Topet orbital station has been completely destroyed. We are unsure of the exact details at the moment. Several escape pods have been seen entering the atmosphere. The Topet Chief's escape pod was found, but there is nobody inside. Government forces state they do not know whether he survived.
So the plan's going through even without...
You've got to be pretty tired of waking up like this. That's right, it's me. But you thought you took me out. Well, nobody gets away from the Topet clan. As soon as we got into orbit, I made sure to go down and capture you. Now, enjoy your stay.
Huh?
Be advised, Henry's escaped.
He's on his way towards the main cabin now, coming from Wing 7.
There he is. He's locked himself in Armory 7.
Who left this open? Guys, what have I said? Always lock the armory after you're done. Guys, we have...
I need an update on that Henry situation.
He's got one of our guns! He's going through us like crazy, we can't stop him!
Do I gotta do everything around here? Hello? You should have stayed in your cell. Oh, now that's cute. That's not gonna help you. Impressive, but that's not gonna... There you are.
Hey! Chief, we lost a solar panel.
Yeah, I know. I'm dealing with it.
Okay. Don't even get snippy about it.
Where'd he go?
Destination Earth.
Hey, sir. Sorry to bother you. One of our off-site drop pods is on a direct collision course with the station.
What?
3, 2,
Oi, get out of there!
He took out our central core. We don't have any power. Can't really get down to Earth without it. So we're kind of just stuck. Who was that guy anyway? Why'd you grab him? Yeah, it's me again. We're picking up a data stream from our broadcasting satellite.
You don't say.
Yeah, it just keeps saying attack, 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 fire, shoot the laser. Oh, hang on.
It just stopped.
Hello? Yeah, can I speak to the chief, please? Not available? Well, look, I was just wondering if the rocket plan was still in action. You know, the rocket plan. Firing up that space station into orbit? Yeah, the one where we can just sit around... No, you know, luxurious lounges, plenty of room, great view of Earth, far enough away from any meddling governments. Yeah, still happening then. Yeah, right, we're leaving from that jungle base then, right? What? Relax, mate. No one's gonna be listening in here. You really think someone's gonna try and steal an entire rocket? You must be mental. Right. Yeah, I'll see you then. Hey, can you... Oh yeah, sure thing. Wait a minute.
Oh, Command, a guy just zipped right by me. I couldn't do anything about it. He's too fast.
Intruder? Who is that? Can we stop him, please? But it's so hot. Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it. Getting on my nerves up. But it's so hot. Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it. Getting on my nerves. But it's so hot. Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it. Getting on my nerves over here.
An intruder has been spotted on the premises. Keep your eyes peeled and stop him if you spot him.
He's headed straight for the rocket. Close the main door, immediately! He's riding straight up? What is this guy doing? Trying to steal our rocket? We'll take care of this. Oi, Chief. Got a clear shot here.
Yes, go ahead.
Emergency launch protocol activated.
He's hijacking the rocket!
Four,
Right-hand man, where are you?
3,
I thought we had like...
2,
I thought we had a few more
1.
hours. Not on my watch.
Welcome to Stickman Space Resort. Built out of a former Toppat base, it's been refitted for your luxury enjoyment. We Toppats aboard have reformed and now work as crew members. The Toppats that remained on Earth were arrested, as you know. The resort is run by the man himself, Henry Stickman. You may wonder, why did he steal a criminal clan's rocket and decide to turn it into a resort? We may never know, but hey, you wouldn't be here if that didn't happen. Enjoy your stay.